In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create PowerPoint presentations in Canva. If you need a presentation for work, school, or a client, Canva makes the process much faster and more polished than starting from scratch in traditional slide software. Instead of spending a lot of time adjusting layouts manually, you can begin with the right presentation format and build from there in a more streamlined way. First, open Canva from the homepage and start a new design. In the top right area, click Create a Design, then type Presentation into the search bar. From the results, choose the standard presentation format in 16 by 9 with a 1920 by 1080 pixel layout. This step is important because it sets your slides up for modern screens and projectors, helping everything display clearly without awkward sizing issues. Once your blank presentation is open, move to the left side panel and open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar there, type a phrase that matches the kind of presentation you're building, such as a corporate pitch deck, a minimalist business proposal, or a modern project roadmap. Take a moment to browse the options and choose a template suite that fits your topic and tone. When you find one you like, click. Apply all pages so the full presentation adopts a consistent visual style right away. Next, replace the template imagery with your own media. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then choose Upload Files to bring in your photos, screenshots, or branded graphics from your computer. After the files finish uploading, drag an image onto any existing photo frame in the slide. Canva will automatically snap it into place, which saves time and helps keep the layout clean. Now it's time to customize the text and improve the visual structure of each slide. Click into the main title area on a slide, highlight the placeholder text, and enter a short, clear headline. Then use the top formatting toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, and styling so they match your brand or presentation theme. For supporting text, keep it readable and concise. If a slide feels too text-heavy, go to the Elements tab and add charts, icons, or simple graphics to make the information easier to follow. Before exporting, review your slide deck carefully. Check that all placeholder content has been replaced, that text alignment looks neat, and that the overall design feels balanced from slide to slide. When everything is ready, go to the top right corner and click Share. Then open More, search for PowerPoint, and select Microsoft PowerPoint. Make sure the correct pages are selected, then click Download to export the presentation as an editable PowerPoint file. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.